Okay, this is UALR Final Exam Review, problem number 64. Tells us a farmer grows apples and peaches, each crop shipped to 3 different outlets. The shipment levels are represented by the matrix A. It's the number of units of apples shipped to each outlet, number of units of peaches shipped to each outlet. And it says the profits per unit are represented by the matrix B, $3.50 here and $9 here. Tells us to compute BA. So last time I showed you how to do it by hand. Here, notice that we have B. Oops. B is a 1x2 matrix, and A is a 2x3 matrix. So we have the inside dimensions match. So that means that BA is going to be a 1x3 matrix. So we can do the product. So I'm going to teach you how to do this on a calculator now. So we're going to put the matrices B and A in our calculator. So we're going to do second matrix. Then we're going to go to edit. So we have to set the dimensions. For A, it's going to be a 2x3 matrix. So we're going to set those dimensions 2x3 and load the matrix. It's going to be 100, 125, and 75. And then 125, 100, and 175. Then we're going to get out of that second mode to quit. We're going to do second matrix and build the matrix B. So we're going to go to edit, scroll down to B. And B is a 1x2 matrix, 1 row, 2 columns. So we're going to load that with 3.5 and with $9, 9.09, same thing. Then we're going to get out of that and we're going to do B times A to compute B times A. So we do second matrix B. Remember, matrix multiplication is not commutative, so B times A is not going to be equal to A times B. As a matter of fact, B times A would be undefined, or A times B would be undefined. So we're multiplying B times A, and you can't do it A times B. So now we have B times A, we're going to hit enter, and we get 1475. Let's see here. Okay, we'll be able to read that, I believe. 1475, and this is dollars now because this is how much profit. So we have $1475. And then our second entry was $1337.50. And our third entry will be $1837.50. Then this problem asks us to interpret the result. In each of these problems, this is the profit per, when we multiply, remember we do B, this row, times this column. So that would be the profit that we get from outlet 1 for both apples and peaches, because we do 350 times 100 plus 9 times 125 to get this 1475. And that would be all the profit that came from outlet 1. The second entry would be all the profit that came from outlet 2, and the third entry would be all the profit that came from outlet 3. So the entries represent the profits from both crops at each of the 3 outlets. And that's how we do problem number 64.